All right, let's think about this for a second. We usually measure our lives in years, right? Maybe birthdays or big milestones. But what if we zoomed all the way in? What if we looked at our entire life in hours?
Here it is. On average, that's the number. 700,000 hours. Now, that might sound like a huge, almost infinite number, but when you realize that's the total budget for your entire existence, well, suddenly, every single one of those hours starts to feel pretty darn important.
And this really is the ultimate question, isn't it? You've got this finite bank account of hours. How you choose to spend them literally defines the life you live. But here's the catch. There's a huge problem. A ton of our hours are being spent, or maybe stolen, without us even noticing.
So let's talk about the main culprit in this grand theft of our time. It's something pretty much all of us carry around everywhere we go, and it's so incredibly powerful because of exactly how it's designed to mess with our brains. And here's the secret sauce, the psychology behind it all. Our phones, they're not just handy tools. No, they're designed just like a slot machine. The key phrase here is intermittent variable rewards. Think about it. You pull the lever by refreshing your feed, and you have no idea what you're going to get. A new like, a funny video, an urgent email, or absolutely nothing. That randomness, that unpredictability, that's what makes it so addictive. It's what keeps you pulling that lever again and again.
And this is what that addiction looks like in the real world. 96 times, every single day. Just let that sink in. From the minute you open your eyes in the morning to the moment you close them at night, you are reaching for that little slot machine nearly 100 times. Each check might feel tiny, just a few seconds, maybe a minute, but believe me, it adds up in a way that is truly mind-blowing.
So what's the final bill for this little daily habit? What's the cumulative cost? This is where the numbers start to get genuinely scary. Let's actually look at what all those little checks add up to over an entire lifetime.
The real price tag is 11 years. 11 years of your one and only precious life, just gone, spent staring at a screen. We're not talking about a week or a month here. We're talking about more than a decade. When you see it laid out on a timeline of an 80-year life, you can't ignore it. It's a massive chunk of your existence, just erased.
Okay, so that's the problem. And yeah, it's a big one. But the point of all this is not to make you feel terrible. It's actually to empower you. Because once you see exactly where the time is going, you can finally start to take it back. So let's reframe this whole thing.
So here's a really critical idea. Not all of our 700,000 hours are the same. When you subtract out all the time for sleeping, for working, for all the basic stuff you have to do, you're left with about 277,000 hours of what we can call hours of choice. This is your real, flexible, discretionary time. This is the time you have to build relationships, learn an instrument, travel, start a project. This is the time we're fighting for.
So how do we protect these priceless hours of choice? Well, we have to stop being passive users of our own time and start becoming active architects. It's a huge shift in your mindset. You go from letting life in your phone just happen to you to making your time happen for you. And you can do it with a simple 3-step process. First, you have to do an audit. Seriously, just like you would with your money, you need to know where your hours are actually going, not just where you think they're going. Step 2, you identify your pillars. What's truly, deeply important to you? Is it your family, your health, your creativity? You have to define them. And finally, number 3, you design your blueprint. You literally, consciously block out time in your calendar for those pillars, treating them as non-negotiable, just as important as any work meeting.
In the end, it really all comes down to this. Those 700,000 hours, they're your building blocks. That little slot machine in your pocket will happily, gladly take every single one of them from you, one little pull at a time. But they are yours. They're yours to claim. You are the architect of your own time. So the only question left is, what are you going to build?